Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'll show you how you can import data from external source, let's say, to monday.com. First things first, we have to create an account or log into our existing account at monday.com. What we have to do is go to the bottom left part of our screen and click on our icon. Now, when the pop-up window will show up, we click on Import Data. Now we can pick from which source we want to import data. If it's Excel, Google Sheets, Trello, Asana, Basecamp, or the other. Let's go with Google Sheets in this case. Once you log in to your Google Sheets, you can pick from the sheets already downloaded or implemented. For example, let's go and pick this World of Warcraft Warlock gear, for example. Let's customize the board, next, and create board. Straight away, we successfully implemented the Warlock gear, for example, into our board at our workspace. Straight away, you can check the next, for example, this is for World of Warcraft. And straight away, you can see it's already implemented. You can pick and move around the sheet, so it works like this. It's pretty easy. If we want to import data, for example, from Excel, you just find your Excel or CSV and you drag it here. Then you are basically done and you already imported the folder that you needed. Let's go to the workspace again. As you can see, you can add a view, for example, a chart, but this won't work properly because it's just not a chart material. For example, NAG has counts and stuff like that, but this is not recommended in this case. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You can always delete what you uploaded and so on, and go back to the tutorials. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.